Hello everyone! Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone who has long waist length hair, and bam, she gets the hair cut into this very cute and chic bob. It ends just around above the shoulders, and it does feature a layered bang going there. Very cute style. And then here we have someone with mid-back length hair. Stylist has the scissors and cuts the hair to around mid-length or so. She ends up getting a nice mid-length cut. I really like that chocolate brown color she has here as well. Very cute. And then we have a two-tone hair color transformation. So this is actually AI. I thought that it was pretty interesting. She goes from long hair to this super cute pixie. And I love the way that this came out. Next up, we have a cut refresh. She has hair here around shoulder length. And of course, she goes shorter with a bob. Look at the amount of fullness that the stylist was able to achieve with this. This is gorgeous. I love the way that this frames her face as well. It hits just below the jawline. Very cute. And then we have a curly haircut transformation. So she ends up getting a pixie here with the finger waves. Beautiful. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. Wow, she does end up getting a bob style. Look at how much volume this bob has. This is absolutely gorgeous. Hair has just so much body and fullness. So the stylist takes that mid-length hair and cuts it right off. And she ends up getting a very nice bob haircut here. Gorgeous angle with a tousled wave. Like we have someone getting some layers. Ooh. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, I love her bright blonde color with this bob. She's got the layered bangs going here. I think he did an amazing job for this one. So beautiful and chic. So here we have another bob haircut transformation. So she starts off with shoulder length hair. Stylist does a nice classic bob here with the swoop bangs going there in the front. Very nice. Bit of a tousled wave as well. Oh, I am obsessed with her hair color. She's got this beautiful copper tone. Wow, look at this bob. Oh, I love this color, the cut, everything about this is just so cute. So here we have someone, she has shoulder length hair. We already saw the pixie cut that she ends up getting here. I think that the stylist does a really good job with this one. He does do like this really cute, fashion forward, super chic face framing pixie. Look at the bangs going here. Very cute. And he managed to make her look younger with this fresh haircut. Amazing. Ooh. So here we have someone, she has this gorgeous thick hair. Look how thick her hair is. So he cuts that hair right off. And she ends up getting a pixie. Oh, I love the texture. So much volume. Oh, this is such a fun look. Very cute. So here we have another bob. Oh, she's got like a French girl style bob here. Bangs in the front. Very cute. Oh, so here we have another very long to short transformation. She has this gorgeous thick hair as well. She does get the hair cut into a bob with a bottleneck bangs. Very nice. And she still has that fullness in the shape of the bob. She can wear it like as a wash and go or wear it straight. So here we have someone, she has a pixie cut here. The stylist does a nice little cut refresh. Adds in some bleach, does some color. Ooh, oh, I'm in love with the way that this turned out. She went blonde, very cute. And then we have our last hairstyle. This one features a beautiful coloring of blonde mixed with pastel colors. Perfect for the spring, summer season. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of the hairstyle ideas featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.